Understanding the Power Couple, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, the power couple. This term is not only popular but also carries interesting connotations. Let's explore what makes a couple a power couple, and why this phrase is significant in English language and culture. The power couple refers to a relationship where both individuals are influential, successful, or powerful in their own right. Often seen in the context of celebrities, business leaders, or political figures, these couples garner attention for their combined strengths and achievements. This term has evolved over time. Initially, it was used to describe couples in high positions of power, like politics. Nowadays, it's broader, including any couple excelling in their fields, be it entertainment, sports, or business. The key is they're equally successful and often work together to amplify their influence. Let's look at some examples. Famous power couples like Barack and Michelle Obama or Beyoncé and Jay-Z illustrate this concept perfectly. They're not just successful individually, their partnerships have a significant impact culturally and socially. Being a power couple isn't just about fame or wealth. It's about mutual respect, support, and often shared goals or values. They're admired not only for their individual achievements but for how they complement each other's strengths. You don't have to be famous to be a power couple. It's about being strong, supportive partners who empower each other in everyday life. Whether it's in business, family life, or community projects, these couples make a significant impact together. The power couple is a term that encapsulates success, influence, and mutual empowerment in a relationship. It's a celebration of partnerships where both individuals shine and help each other grow. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing concept and perhaps even inspired you to become part of a power couple in your own life. Thank you for watching, and keep learning and growing.